How to bring elderly parents to the UK. Do you want your elderly parents to come and live with you in the UK? Today's video is going to help you understand about different visa routes available for you to bring your parents to the UK. Are you planning to apply for a UK family visa? What queries do you have? Drop your questions in the comments, and we can answer them in our future videos. People interested in bringing their parents to the UK have several visa routes to choose from, depending on their circumstances. Let's look at the different visa routes you can go for in order to successfully bring your parents to the UK. Adult Dependent Relative. The Adult Dependent Relative visa route is one of the UK family visas you can opt for. British citizens, permanent residents, or those with refugee or humanitarian protection in the UK can choose this route to bring their adult dependent relative to the UK. So, what are the requirements that you need to fulfill to go for this visa route? For starters, you have to prove your parents or adult dependent relative needs long-term personal care due to an illness or disability that only you can provide while living in the UK. Moreover, they cannot depend on public funds. Furthermore, you need to demonstrate that the level of care required for your adult dependent relative is too expensive or unavailable in their country of nationality. The bar for an adult dependent relative visa has been set very high by the Home Office, making it significantly challenging for applicants to get their applications approved. The EU Settlement Scheme. EU nationals living in the UK can go for the EU Settlement Scheme, or EUSS, to bring their dependent relatives to the country. EU nationals can submit an application for a EUSS family permit to enable their parents to come to the UK. Plus, they have to apply for pre-settled status after arriving in the country. Successful applicants can then go for settled status after living in the UK for 5 consecutive years. What's important to note here is that this visa route requires proof of a certain level of financial dependency. Another restriction that applicants face in this route is that the required level of dependency must have existed before Brexit, which took place on the 31st of December 2020. Regardless, this is a helpful alternative for EU, European Economic Area, and Swiss nationals living in the UK. Now, let's tell you if there are any alternative routes. In case parents hope to travel to the UK to see their adult children after some time, they are advised to go for a long-term visa. As a result, they can stay in the UK temporarily for a maximum of 180 days without seeking any employment. This also allows parents to submit an application for a UK visa by themselves. We have reached the end of today's video update. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.